Your Philips Dreamwear mask can be used with nasal cushions. These cushions come in 4 sizes: small, medium, medium wide, and large. You'll find a sizing gauge on the Quick Start Guide. Standing in front of a mirror, hold the gauge horizontally under your nose. Choose the smallest size that will cover your nostrils and tip of your nose. In this case, a medium. To check the size, hold the cushion under your nose so that the openings line up with your nostrils. The cushion should rest gently on the outer edge and tip of your nose. If your nose is inside the cushion, or if the cushion covers your nose, it is too large or is being worn incorrectly. Try a smaller size for better fit. Dreamwear frames come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. If your mask is not already assembled, begin by attaching your cushion to a medium frame. Align the triangles on the nasal cushion to the ones on the mask frame and press until you hear it click into place. Insert the elbow into the mask frame. Push the tubing quick release into the elbow. The quick release lets you easily disconnect the tube, which is helpful if you get up to use the bathroom during the night. To add the headgear, position the mask with the cushion facing forward. Look for the R and L symbols on the headgear arms. Push the R headgear clip through the mask frame loop on the right and the L clip on the left. When you're done, the R and L symbols should face outwards. The Philips Respironics logo should be on the outside and the Dreamwear logo on the right. As an option, you can add soft fleece wraps around the sides of the frame for added comfort. Position the seams on the outside away from your face. There is also an optional headgear available for people who prefer one made entirely of fabric. For best performance, the mask must be seated correctly. A medium frame works well for most people. As shown here, the elbow should rest at the top of your head, and the frame should sit between your eye and your ear. If the mask frame falls backward and is too close to your ears, you may need a smaller mask frame. Notice how a properly fit medium frame compares to one that is too large. If the mask frame falls forward and is too close to your eyes, you may need a larger mask frame. You can see the difference in fit between a well-fit frame compared to one that is too small. Selecting the correct size frame and cushion will help you enjoy the freedom and comfort of Dreamwear.